Hey quiz lovers! Welcome back to Quiz Kingdom! Today, Froggy is testing your wild side with the Animals Knowledge Trivia Quiz! You'll face 60 wild questions, from the fastest flyers to the sneakiest predators. But you only have 10 seconds to prove how much you really know. If you're ready to roar, smash that like button, hit subscribe to Quiz Kingdom, and let's see if you can ace this animal challenge! First question, what is the fastest animal in the sky? The correct answer is the peregrine falcon. Between these two, which one is the real danger? That would be the tiger. What is the heaviest animal on Earth? That would be the whale. Which creature can actually make its own light? You got it! The firefly! Can you guess which animal is able to hear infrasound? Yup! It's the bat! Here's a new challenge. Find the odd one out. You got it! It's right here! Which animal is the slowest on land? The sloth. Who has more arms? An octopus or a squid? The answer is a squid. Which creature is known to sleep for years? Definitely! The desert snail! Which animal gets the most sleep in a single day? It's the koala! Which reptile defends itself by squirting blood? That would be the horned lizard. Look at these emojis and guess the animal. Bingo! It's monkey! Which one has the thickest skin of all? Definitely the rhinoceros! Can you guess which creature sings to talk to its kind? That is the whale. What is the largest marine carnivore? The orca. Correct. Which animal can regrow its limbs? The octopus. Which animal has the best sense of smell? The dog. Which one would you take as a pet? Froggy loves dogs. What about you? Comment down below. Which animal can survive the longest time without water? That's the kangaroo rat. Can you guess which bird runs the fastest? The answer is the ostrich. Which surprising creature has teeth? Yep, it's the snail. Can you guess which animal eats up to 3,000 times a day? Definitely the seahorse. Which animal has the longest neck of them all? Definitely the giraffe. Can you find the missing puzzle to complete this picture? C is the correct answer. Did you find it? Which animal is known for having very poor vision? The ferret. Can you guess which creature is the most venomous? The sea snake is correct. Which animal is famous for living the longest? That would be the tortoise. Which creature lays the most eggs at one time? We're talking about the turtle. Which one cannot jump? None other than the elephant. Memory challenge. Take a look at the positions of all these animals. Can you remember where the elephant is? That's right, it's at number 3. Which animal spends most of its time in the water? None other than the hippopotamus. What is the most venomous animal in the world? The jellyfish takes that spot. Which animal can lift many times its own body weight? That would be the ant. Which one flaps its wings the fastest? The bee, of course. Can you guess which creature has the most teeth? It's the catfish. Can you find 3 differences between these images? Great job! Here, here, and here. Which one can change color to blend in? The chameleon. Which creature is the fastest flyer? The dragonfly, without a doubt. Which one is actually a reptile? The iguana. Which animal can solve complex problems? None other than the crow. Which creature has no brain at all? The starfish. How many starfish are there in this picture? There are 10. What is the largest land carnivore? The polar bear. Can you guess which animal is considered smarter? It's the pig! Which creature has the longest tongue of all? The giraffe! Can you guess which feline is the biggest in the world? That would be the tiger. Which animal weighs less than a kilo? None other than the meerkat. Pay attention to these cups. Where is Chicken Little? You found him! Which bird is the only one that can fly backwards? The answer? The hummingbird. What is the largest invertebrate? None other than the giant squid. Can you guess which animal can survive for days without its own head? The cockroach, of course. Which creature can last the longest without oxygen? That would be the tick. Can you guess which animal is able to sleep while standing up? The horse. Look closely at these emojis. Where is the odd one out? Bingo! Right here! Which animal gets by with just 1 hour of sleep every day? That would be the giraffe. Can you guess the creature with the most powerful bite? The crocodile, of course. What animal has no blood in its body? None other than the starfish. Which one sleeps with one eye open? It's the dolphin. Who is the hibernator among these creatures? The hedgehog actually hibernates. Let's wrap it up with one last challenge. Comment your favorite animal from today's quiz down below. See you next time, friends!
Thank you for watching the video, and now go ahead and pick your next challenge. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel Quiz Kingdom for more fun quizzes like this, and see you in the next challenge.